the month of March, a lot of my friends, their birthday at this time of March. Onwere onye ezigbote oyi m nwanyị, ezigbote nwanne m nwanyị, ezigbote onye nkem. Amalo me ya jump na birthday ya. Mana nsi mba, mmakwa ya jump. Aga m ewote birthday ya. Wetekwa ya weti ya ofuma. Igotago, ya ka eji si ka iburu ezigbo mmadụ izi aṅụli ife. Amagodi gị jump, aga nachi ya tazu. You got for jump, Amagi jump, you will return back. Say, this jump, I will return back. Happy birthday to all my friends, especially the ones I did not wish this much. You are one of them. I just want to say a big happy birthday to you. And I also want to tell you I love you. And if I have wished you before, I want to say congratulations to you. And I want to tell you something. By this time next year, you will be celebrated more than this. Yes. And again, if there is anything that you've done this time, maybe your marriage anniversary, your anything at this month of March, let me tell you, be marching forward. I pray for somebody, all of you, who is following me. You are my fan, and it's your birthday. Come out, let's rejoice together. It's a birthday. It's your birthday. It's a happy time. It's a birthday. It's a birthday. Adakwadama, it's a birthday. It's a happy time.